How to join friends on Monopoly Go. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. There are various ways to do it. So first of all, open up your game and after that click on friends at the bottom. And after that you will be able to see three different options to choose from and you can connect with your friends using these options. The first one is that you can invite your contacts, people on your contact list, invite them to this game and they would be able to play with you. And the other option is to invite your Facebook friends, and as soon as you connect with your Facebook account to Monopoly Go, you will be able to see all the people who play Monopoly Go in your friend list. And the other method is when you want to invite someone who is not on Facebook or not on your contacts, you can just simply click on invite and after that you will be able to see a link for invitation to join you. You can share that link on any of the social media like Instagram, Snapchat or wherever you want and people would be able to join you up. And these are some ways to join your friends on Monopoly Go. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.